Want to turn your TradingView strategy or indicator alerts into real-time trades in your futures account without any coding? In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to automate your trades using ProjectX and PickMyTrade. You'll learn how to link your accounts, configure alerts, manage risk, and go fully hands-free. Let's get started. Step 1. Connect your ProjectX account. The first thing you need to do is connect your ProjectX account to PickMyTrade.io. To do this, go to the top right corner of your PickMyTrade dashboard and click on Connections. In PickMyTrade connection name, now fill out the fields. Type in your ProjectX username. This is usually your registered email. Then paste your ProjectX API key. This key authorizes secure trade execution. Now, where do you find this API key? Simple. Just log into your TopStep dashboard, then head over to Settings, and inside there, look for the API tab. Before you generate the API key, make sure your TopStep account is already linked to ProjectX. If it's not linked, you won't be able to create API keys. Here's how to do it. It just takes a minute. In your TopStep settings, click the link button next to ProjectX. This will take you to the ProjectX dashboard. There, you'll see an option to buy an API subscription, and just below that, you'll find your linked TopStep account. Once that link is active, you'll be able to go back and generate new API keys without any issues. Then select Add New API Key to generate one. Once it's created, click the eye icon to reveal the key. Copy it, and now you're ready to paste it into PickMyTrade. And finally, for prop firm name, enter the name of your proprietary firm if you have one, like TopStep. Once filled, hit Save. If done correctly, your connection status will now show as active, and you're ready for automation. Once you have made sure you are connected to your ProjectX account, next, go to the left-hand sidebar and click on Generate Alert. This is where we define the alert that gets triggered from TradingView and executed via ProjectX. You'll fill out a few important fields like broker, alert type, symbol, and more, which I'll walk you through now. Start by selecting your broker. In this case, choose ProjectX from the dropdown. Then pick the alert type. You have two options. Choose indicator if you're using TradingView indicators like RSI, MACD, or support/resistance alerts. Choose strategy only if you build a Pine script strategy and want to automate it directly. Now we'll go with indicator since that's the most common use case. The symbol field is where you enter the asset's TradingView ticker, like MNQ1 for micro NASDAQ futures. This field is optional but required if you use stop-loss types like ticks or total PNL in dollars. Let's talk about how alerts behave. It's important to understand what happens behind the scenes. A buy alert will either open a new buy position or add to your existing buy order. If you're in a sell position, it will first close that position and cancel all open sell orders. A sell alert does the reverse. It either adds to a sell order or closes your buy position and flips it. A close alert will shut down all open positions and cancel any open orders, but it won't open new trades. So let's select buy option. You have two options for defining trade size. Option A, quantity, set a fixed number of contracts like 1 or 2. Simple and predictable. Option B, risk percentage. This is more dynamic. You specify a percentage, like 2%, and the system will calculate the right position size so your loss doesn't exceed 2% of your account based on your stop loss. Now, when it comes to stop loss, take profit, and account selection, the process remains exactly the same for strategy-based alerts as it does for indicator-based ones. So with that out of the way, let's now move on to setting up alerts using the strategy option in PickMyTrade. Now let's say we're automating a strategy. Enter the TradingView symbol, like MNQ1. Next, PickMyTrade needs to know how your strategy handles exits. If your TradingView strategy has a TP or SL already defined, you can select yes and move to the next option. However, if your strategy does not have a TP/SL, and if you want to go manage your risk with PickMyTrade, you can select no and move ahead to choose your risk management options below. Note, if your strategy already has a TP/SL, we recommend not to choose risk management portion in PickMyTrade. For this walkthrough, we'll assume no and let PickMyTrade handle our SL/TP directly on entry. Now let's configure the stop loss and take profit for this strategy alert. Project X also supports OCO orders. OCO orders mean when one order executes, for example, take profit, the other, stop loss, is automatically canceled. If OCO is not enabled in your Project X account, you can enable it by going to the Risk Settings section and clicking on Switch to Auto OCO Brackets. You can choose from 3 SL/TP types. Points or dollars from entry price ticks, ideal for futures, or total P&L in dollars. Let's start with the point/dollar option. So now I'll enter SL equals 100 and lot size for MNQ 1 is 2 by default. So this means your total loss per contract will be $200. Then let's enter TP 200. By same calculations, total profit per contract will be $400. Let's quickly understand one of Project X's most powerful features, the auto-trailing stop loss. The auto-trailing stop loss in Project X dynamically adjusts your stop loss level as the market price moves in your favor. It helps protect profits and minimize losses by following price movement automatically, without needing you to set a fixed value. For buy-long trades, when the market price goes up, the stop loss moves up automatically to secure some of the unrealized profit. If the market reverses, the stop loss stays at the last adjusted level, locking in your gains. For sell short trades, when the market price goes down, the stop loss moves down automatically to protect profits. If the market reverses upward, the stop loss remains fixed at the last adjusted level. Note, since the trailing stop in Project X is dynamic, there's no need to enter a specific trail value. It automatically follows your position based on market movement. Now let's select ticks as our stop loss and take profit type. Ticks are especially useful in futures trading, where each instrument has a fixed tick size and value. Instead of entering price points or percentages, we define our risk and reward in terms of tick distance. Let's say I enter stop loss ticks equals 500 and take profit ticks equals 1,000. As soon as I do that, PickMyTrade will calculate the exact SL and TP price levels based on the symbol I selected. In this case, I'm trading MNQ1, where the tick size is 0.25 and the lot size is 2. So now the calculation goes like this: 500 ticks times 2 lots times 0.25. Tick value equals $250 total loss. And by same calculation, this means your total profit per contract will be $500. That means if the market moves 500 ticks against me, I'll lose $250. If it moves 1,000 ticks in my favor, I'll make $500. It's a super precise way to control your risk and reward, especially for scalpers or funded account traders where tick control really matters. Now let's select the total profit/loss USD option. With this method, you simply enter how much you're willing to lose or gain per trade. Now we are trading MNQ1 and set a stop loss of $100 and a take profit of $200. The system will automatically place your SL and TP based on those dollar values, where you'll only lose $100 if the trade goes against you, or make $200 if it hits your target. It's an easy way to keep your risk fixed and predictable. If you want to add multiple accounts or manage trades for someone else, go to the Add Account section. Here you have 2 options. You can add multiple Project X logins directly into your current PickMyTrade account. Perfect if you're managing your own accounts all in one place, or you can add an account from a different PickMyTrade login. To do that, you'll need to enter the PickMyTrade token from the other account, followed by the connection name and your desired quantity multiplier. Basically, if your strategy or indicator has the quantity set as 1, and here in PickMyTrade, Add Account feature, you select the quantity multiplier as 2, then the trade quantity will multiply by 2. However, if you select the quantity multiplier as 1, then it will not multiply the quantity mentioned in your TradingView strategy or indicator. This method is ideal if you're managing trades on behalf of someone else or across multiple logins. For this video, we'll go with the first option, adding another Project X login to the same PickMyTrade account. So we'll select the Project X account name, then set the quantity multiplier to 2. Once you click Add Account, PickMyTrade will handle the routing, sending trades exactly to the Project X account. Once your config is ready, click on Generate Alert. You'll now get a webhook URL and JSON payload, This is what you'll paste into your TradingView alert. Once you've copied the webhook URL from PickMyTrade, head over to your TradingView chart, click the plus alert icon, then go to the Notifications tab. In the webhook URL box, simply paste the link you got from PickMyTrade. Then in the message body, paste the exact JSON payload. Note, make sure you clear all text in the message box before pasting the JSON code in it. Then, set your alert condition as per your strategy or indicator, and click Create. If you want to change the time interval for your strategy or indicator, you can do it from here itself. That's it. Your TradingView alert is now live and connected to real trades. Now let's see how it all works in real time. Here in TradingView, our buy order just got triggered. Moving over to PickMyTrade.io, inside the alert section, you can see that the order on MNQ1 has been successfully placed. Now take note of the entry ID here in PickMyTrade. And let's head back to Top Step X to check if the order has been filled successfully. Here in Top Step X, we can now verify that the order was filled using the same entry ID. And just like that, you've automated your futures trading using ProjectX and PickMyTrade.